my name is Lex, one of the co-owners here at Quality Garage Door Services. After 17 years in the industry, we've seen it all. Companies overcharging or simply not doing the work properly. One of the best ways to identify companies you don't want coming to your house is by searching their name on fraudulent reporting sites such as ripoffreport.com or complaintsboard.com. Another concern in the industry is the migration of advertising. When the industry moved from phone book advertising to internet advertising, something terrible happened. It opened the door for unlicensed, uninsured garage door companies to appear legitimate. These companies have manipulated the internet with this tactic only to appear legitimate. Our advice, do a search on sunbiz.org. This will ensure that you're actually using a registered business in Florida. Fines for unlicensed work go to you, the homeowner. So protect yourself and make sure the company you choose is actually a licensed state contractor or if they have a garage door license. It is required by law that contractors show their license number in all their advertising, so it should be easy to find. These licenses can be verified at myfloridalicense.com. The bottom line is this: please do your homework. Again, my name is Lex. I hope this video was helpful to you, and we look forward to seeing you soon.